Today's video is for science. I want to know what the most important part of your outfit is. Is it your top, bottom, shoe, accessory, hair, makeup, silhouette, or color? I think there's more. Today we're going to find it out by running some tests. When you watch my videos, I want you to leave learning something. When you leave this video, you can understand how to create a better outfit, shop more mindfully of pieces that you know are gonna make a difference in your wardrobe, and just get some outfit inspo. Let's do it. This is our control group, our control outfit. This is what I'm considering the neutral. Now, I was originally going to do just a very plain white t-shirt, even more less silhouetted jeans, basically the most boring shoe I could find. I wanted it to still stand a chance with the other pieces and on its own to see if any of these pieces really matter that much. So we have a little bit of a more structured tank top, but it's white, it's pretty plain. My favorite denim right now from a Goldie, no rips, pretty and neutral medium wash. And then just a black kitten heel because these shoes will go with the other pants and tops. Let's start with the top. I'm not refilming the intro, but I just filmed half a video and realized that you couldn't see my shoes. We just got to a pivotal aha moment in the video and it was a lot about the shoes. So restart. We might cut to some clips of a little zoomed in shot about my shoes because I said stuff in there that I might not say now, but whatever, it's fine. Take a deep breath. Let's do this. Let's change the top to a bold color statement top and see how much it changes the look. Oh, I'm so upset actually. And here is the bold top focusing on color. Just putting this on, I was kind of thinking okay, but what do I already know is gonna win? And I feel like so many times when I put on an outfit, I think a bold top is so important, but then I think a white t-shirt and a bold pant can do you so well. And then a well-fitted top and bottom, neutral top and bottom, and a bold shoe is the best outfit. So I truly have no idea what is gonna win and what is gonna seem like the most important. But I guess I'm more curious about what I'm gonna think is more important, color or silhouette. So this is a really cute top, so I think it definitely helps cause a lot because I'm looking at this and I'm it feels very different than the last outfit. And it's crazy how just changing out one thing can make an outfit feel so different if done correctly. And I think that's what we're gonna see is all these outfits are going to feel very, very different even if we're just changing out one item and focusing on color or silhouette. I like that this top has the same silhouette as the first top, tighter tank top, but because of this flower and the bold pattern and the bold color and even the darker color, it really changes the look. Let's change out the top for a bold silhouette top, but still in a very neutral color. Here is the bold top in a bold silhouette. I have to remember that this experiment is trying to see which piece changes the outfit the most to see what would be most worth it to purchase and add to your wardrobe to get the most bang for your buck. So I know that the new item I get can feel so different in so many different outfits, in neutral outfits, in bold outfits, and not feel like a piece that gets overshadowed by the other elements of an outfit even. That I can be worn so many different ways and hold its own, but also kind of mesh in with other outfits. I think that's important as well. Sometimes when you buy a super bold piece, that piece is the outfit. I don't always want to buy a piece that just feels like it's standing on its own. I want to find pieces that incorporate well with a million different outfits in my wardrobe. And sometimes that is a bold color and silhouette or a large piece. So I am right in there with you guys that this is an experiment that I do not know the outcome. Also, I've been at the pool a lot. My stomach and my whole body, my stomach doesn't match the rest of my body. I wear one pieces and I sunscreen like crazy and I'm in the shade and it does not matter. I look like a Neapolitan ice cream right now. I like the other one, how it looks better, but I still can acknowledge that the bold silhouette top changed the look a lot from that very first top we saw, even though I like the second top better, and even just the neutral top better. On to the bold colored pant. This is what I mean. These pants make the outfit. They make choosing the top and bottom really easy because you're able to go super neutral and the pants speak for the entire outfit. How well would these pants go with other items in my wardrobe, and would they all feel like a pink pant outfit when I want them to just feel like an outfit? I will say these changed the entire look way more than the other tops. I'm looking at this and I'm how is a bottom, a bold colored bottom specifically, not the biggest bang for your buck? It changes the outfit so much because it's so much more surface area. Now we're getting on the bold bottom, but it's a bold silhouette. I think this skirt, even though it's denim, just like the first option, It feels so different. A big change. It's a big surface area changing. Because I think we just went from my least favorite thing to my favorite thing to buy. I never have enough tops. I never buy tops. They feel hard to buy and feel like they don't make the biggest change in my outfit. I love buying fun pants and fun skirts. They feel like they make a big difference in my wardrobe and they're like crucial pieces. But my favorite thing to buy ever are shoes. And I feel like if you watch my channel, you probably know that. If I'm gonna splurge on an item, it's shoes. If I'm gonna buy a fun item, it's shoes. Okay, now we're on to the bold shoe. These ones are the Mary Janes from Viviva, and they're a bit more of a bold silhouette. I feel like I need to cuff my jeans to show the shoe more, which I don't think that's cheating. The jeans are just long. I almost had these shoes as the neutral for this video. I know a Mary Jane still feels like an elevated shoe for a lot of people, but I swear for me, a Mary Jane, this like flat Mary Jane, I wear these every single day. So they feel like a very normal shoe. But I was looking at myself in the mirror and I was like, I don't know. Then I put the shoes on and I'm like, this completely changes the look. It really feels like it doesn't do much. It elevates a look so much. And I feel like cost per wear for shoe, sometimes that feels like it's higher because you can wear these shoes every day and they don't change an outfit like a pant does, but they complete an outfit in a way a shirt doesn't. Does that make sense? Here's the bold silhouette shoe. And I didn't want to do a bold silhouette shoe like a giant heel because that just doesn't feel practical for like the science I'm conducting today. Okay, next, the bold colored shoe. These sneakers. If you watch my videos, you know that I talk about I won't wear shoes that take more than half a second to put on because I'm normally holding 16 mermaid dolls and a toddler and trying to run out the door. I don't even have socks on right now. And look at how they slip on. I wouldn't wear these without socks. That's so cute, especially in like the fall and winter. This pop of pink with like just a big crew neck sweater, I'm so excited for. So here's the bold colored sneaker with the outfit. It's crazy how like it's such a little portion of your outfit. The sneaker compared to the sandal compared to the Mary Jane changes the look so much. Shoes are my number one, then pants, then top. I feel like a top didn't change it that much, but what do you guys think? So I think this video hates me. I just refilmed everything with the right angle, then my mic went out. Okay, but we're on accessories. So I think accessories do make a big difference in an outfit and they can be worn so many different ways, and I know so many people who do accessories so well. For somebody who's getting dressed like in a time crunch and also doesn't want to take an hour to get dressed every day, sometimes, but most of the time no. Accessories take too long to put together, to decipher. Accessories are an art. You do them right or you do them wrong, and you can't put on a shirt wrong. You don't look at an outfit and you're like, they shouldn't have worn a shirt today. Like, yes, you should have. You can look at this outfit and be like, she shouldn't have worn that scarf, right? You get what I'm saying? I think accessories are tricky and I'm not good at them. But here's my outfit with accessories. I wanted to do bolder than just jewelry, so I went with a scarf, a very bold bag, but that's the experiment. I think it's proven that shoes are most important. Make or break an outfit and totally change the look without doing too much. And pants, bottoms, could be a skirt, and tops. Then I think accessories are dead last. I'm surprised at how much the silhouette changed the outfits and not just the color was needed to change the outfit. I think the silhouette added a lot. I think these outfits would have felt a lot more different too if I just had like a baggy plain white t-shirt on and a more just very standard pant. That's not how I dress, so I didn't want to do that. And I think this was the right move. Let's see like the bold and bold together. Why was I gonna do that? It's mostly those pink pants. Because I think it's agreed upon that the pink pants change the look the most. But will they control the look? Let's just try and style the pink pants without making the outfit feel pink pants. I didn't show this top in this video, but this was another bold top option. The outfit definitely feels different than the first two. Went with bold top, bold bottom, neutral shoe. I can't imagine another shoe really going with these pants, honestly. I don't know. I think that's why I struggle with like this kind of capri also, because I really like them with kitten heel and then that automatically dresses it up. I don't love them with a flat, quite honestly. Maybe the Mary Jane, let's see. But then I feel like we have to change the top. I don't know. Like obviously with this top it is wrong. What else do I even have here? It's funny because like this top and these capris, do not go together at all. Wait, I actually love this outfit. I think that this is a really cute outfit. It still screams pink pants though, which is like what we're trying not to do. Maybe we'll have to style these in the next video, or I could do like trying to style bold pieces in everyday looks, something along those lines, because I feel like that's what I struggle with in my closet is I have these bold pieces that I adore that completely make an outfit, but I can't get them to look everyday appropriate. Like there's just something off about it. We'll do that in an upcoming video, but I hope you guys enjoyed the experimental video. I hope I can edit it. I'm only crossing my right hand. I hope I can edit it in a way that is coherent and makes sense, is still fun to watch, and I'll see you guys in a few days. Bye.